What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about 5 different major repairs that you should look out for on mobile homes. So this is Franco Mobile Homes. If you haven't heard of us already, we make a lot of videos based on basically education towards mobile homes and how they work. So here, let's go on to these 5 things to look out for. First off, we have this slide. First one is water damage, and there's 2 types of water damage. There's interior water damage, and there's exterior water damage. So where the water damage comes from is moisture. So it can either come from water or faults in the plumbing from underneath. So that's where you'll see, what you'll look at is these corners on the floor and the sidewalls. And you can see moisture. Sometimes you'll see soft spots or feel soft spots in your home, and it can cause stuff below the carpet, and you can't really see it when it comes to the floor one. On the roofing, this is actually pretty common, but you can see like drip marks, and it starts to turn dark. That's water damage on the ceiling. So whenever you're going through a home, take a look at the ceiling, see if there's any discoloration or off colors that are happening. Definitely have it checked out, because that can hurt in the long run, and it could get worse later on. So the exterior water damage, the roofing itself, if the gutters aren't done properly and water can sit above the home, you can have water damage problems on the roof of these homes. So especially on like the 1970s homes, they have foam or metal roofs. They're not really as like the standards of roofs today. So you definitely want to have that checked out. Now, this is kind of the underbelly of the home, which is the insulation and stuff. And you can see there's tearing and some water damage there as well. So be mindful that you can see that there. All right, the next is the floors and foundation. So always make sure that you check the floors, make sure that everything's all strong. Because, like, for example, here's a mold issue that happened here. So they decided to cut this out, and they're going to patch that up with another piece of plywood. And then underneath on when we're talking foundation, there's this vapor retarder on the bottom right here, which blocks out the moisture here. And the same thing on the top layer between the floor and your home. You have this rodent barrier or a vapor barrier. And you always want to make sure that there's no tears on there, because rodents, pests, and stuff can go in, and also moisture can climb into that home. And then that is actually the under foundation of your home. So you don't want moisture to be messing up in there. So either patching up the vapor barriers are important, and then also we'll get to this block and piers later on one of these slides. Floors and foundation. So the foundation itself, when you're looking at these piers, let's go back here, is you want to make sure that they're pretty close to touching on the steel I-beams, because this, especially with older homes, they tend to sag. They don't always stay level when it's first initially put. So some people will re-level every 3 years or so, but it just depends on who built the home, the builder of the home, how sturdy the home is, how well kept the home is. But you want to make sure that they're all touching and they're properly maintained as well. So let's go to the next slide. This is obviously some skirting that's popping out of the home as well. Doors and windows. So with these, you want to make sure that you investigate these and that they are properly sealed. Moisture in the home is never good. It's not good for the long-term effects of the wood and the materials of the home. So exposure to the outside elements can weaken the home. So when you have seals like this, it also causes your heating or cooling to go inside and out of your home, and it's kind of a waste of energy as well. So that's something to really look out for. Electrical repairs. This is the last item. This is something that you want to check out and make sure that everything's kind of wired correctly. It's very dangerous, actually, to have improper electrical repairs. Like here, they duct tape this. It looks like really old cables, some exposed metal here. Now, these homes, because especially the ones built in the 70s or 60s, they aren't as well, the materials that they use don't fight well against fire. So these can really just spark up insulation and your home can burn up in a matter of minutes. So this is something really crucial that you should look out for. So that's our video. We'll finish it off there. And hopefully if you like this video, we'd love for you to share it, comment, and if you have anything that you'd like to learn about mobile homes, we'd love to help answer these questions. So give us some stuff, give us some comments of what you think we should make, and follow our stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.